Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ultimate Cooking Gallery. Today I am going to prepare a no onion and no garlic recipe, that is lemon rice. Please note down the ingredients and let's start our cooking. Heat some oil in a pan. Add half a cup of peanuts, 1 by 4 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 by 4 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 5 to 6 slit green chilies, chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add turmeric, salt, mix well. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. Mix well and switch off the flame. Now add lemon extract of 2 lemons, and now your gravy is ready to mix with rice. Take the required quantity of rice, add the gravy and mix it well. Now your lemon rice is ready to serve. My videos are available on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please like, share, subscribe, follow and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.